Welcome to Binary Bytes, your source for bite-sized tech knowledge. In today's video, we will cover the topics: Cyber Crimes, Information Technology Act, 2000, Public Key Infrastructure, Certificate Authority. Starting with the topic of cyber crimes. Cybercrime refers to criminal activities that involve the use of digital technologies, such as computers, the internet, and other electronic devices. There are several types of cybercrime, including identity theft. This is the act of stealing someone's personal information, such as their name, address, social security number, or credit card information, with the intention of using it for fraudulent purposes. Phishing scams. These scams involve sending emails or messages that appear to be from a reputable source, such as a bank or a government agency, with the intention of tricking the recipient into providing personal or financial information. Malware attacks. Malware is a type of software that is designed to damage or disable computer systems. Malware attacks can take various forms, such as viruses, trojans, ransomware, or spyware. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying refers to the use of digital technologies to harass, intimidate, or embarrass someone. Online fraud. Online fraud involves any type of fraudulent activity that is conducted over the internet, such as fake online stores, fake job offers, or fake investment schemes. Hacking. Hacking refers to gaining unauthorized access to computer systems or networks with the intention of stealing data or causing damage. Cyberstalking. Cyberstalking is the act of using digital technologies to track or harass someone over a period of time. Cybercrime is a growing problem that affects individuals, businesses, and governments around the world. It is important to take measures to protect yourself from cybercrime, such as using strong passwords, keeping your software up to date, and being cautious about sharing personal or financial information online. Coming to the next topic, Information Technology Act, 2000. The Information Technology Act 2000 is an Indian law that governs electronic commerce and communication in India. The Act was introduced to provide legal recognition to electronic transactions and facilitate e-governance in India. The Act also aims to prevent cyber crimes such as hacking, phishing, and cyber terrorism. The IT Act 2000 was amended in 2008 to make it more comprehensive and to address emerging issues related to electronic transactions and cyber security. The amended Act includes provisions related to data protection, electronic signatures, and the use of electronic records as evidence in legal proceedings. Under the IT Act 2000, the Controller of Certifying Authorities is responsible for licensing and regulating certifying authorities who issue digital certificates that authenticate the identity of individuals and entities in electronic transactions. The Act also provides for the establishment of an adjudicating officer who can impose penalties for contravention of the Act's provisions. The IT Act 2000 has played a crucial role in enabling the growth of e-commerce and digital services in India. However, it has also been criticized for being outdated and inadequate in dealing with new challenges such as data breaches, cyber attacks, and online harassment. The Indian government is currently working on a new data protection bill that will replace the IT Act 2000 and provide a more comprehensive framework for data protection and privacy in India. Coming to the next topic, Public Key Infrastructure. Public key infrastructure is a set of technologies, policies, and procedures that enables secure communication over public networks, such as the Internet. PKI provides a framework for the secure exchange of digital information and is based on the use of digital certificates and public key encryption. The key components of a PKI include Certificate Authority. A certificate authority is a trusted third-party organization that issues digital certificates to users and devices. The certificate authority verifies the identity of the certificate holder and attests to their public key. Digital certificates. A digital certificate is a file that contains the public key of the certificate holder, along with other information such as their name, email address, and expiration date. The certificate is digitally signed by the certificate authority to establish its authenticity. Public key encryption. Public key encryption is a cryptographic technique that uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key, to secure communications. The public key is used to encrypt messages, while the private key is used to decrypt them. Certificate revocation. In case a certificate needs to be revoked due to reasons such as a lost or stolen private key, the certificate authority must have a process to revoke the certificate and maintain a list of revoked certificates. PKI is used in a wide range of applications, including secure email, e-commerce transactions, and virtual private networks. PKI provides a secure and reliable way to authenticate the identity of parties involved in a communication, and to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of the information being exchanged. Coming to the last topic of today's lecture, certificate authority. A certificate authority is a trusted third-party organization that issues digital certificates to users and devices. The certificate authority verifies the identity of the certificate holder and attests to their public key. The certificate authority is responsible for managing the PKI and ensuring that the digital certificates are valid and authentic. The role of the certificate authority in PKI is crucial as it is responsible for the following. Issuing digital certificates. The certificate authority issues digital certificates to users and devices after verifying their identity. The digital certificate contains the public key of the certificate holder, along with other information such as their name, email address, and expiration date. The certificate is digitally signed by the certificate authority to establish its authenticity. Revoking digital certificates. The certificate authority must have a process to revoke a digital certificate in case it needs to be revoked due to reasons such as a lost or stolen private key. The certificate authority must maintain a list of revoked certificates to ensure that they are not used for any malicious purposes. Managing the PKI. The certificate authority is responsible for managing the PKI and ensuring that the digital certificates are valid and authentic. The certificate authority must have policies and procedures in place to manage the issuance and revocation of digital certificates, as well as to protect the confidentiality and integrity of the digital certificates. In summary, the certificate authority is a crucial component of the PKI as it issues and manages digital certificates, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of the PKI. The certificate authority plays a significant role in establishing trust in digital communications and transactions, and its importance cannot be overstated in ensuring the security of the digital world. That's all for today's e-commerce lecture. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by liking and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more bite-sized tech knowledge, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. We will be back soon with more exciting lectures on e-commerce and other tech topics. Till then, keep learning, and we will see you in the next one.